What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of a Goodwill in sunny Jacksonville, Florida. We're gonna head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. All right, guys, here we go. Let's see what they still wheel out the bins here of new merchandise. We have down here brand new sealed DVD. War, not worth it. Express, don't think that's worth it. Then we got a couple rom-coms, probably not good. And then just a lot of pillows. Here are the clothing prices down here. Looks like women's clothes, kind of expensive actually. 25 bucks minimum for a leather coat. $6.49 for a blazer, $20 for a leather jacket. Wow. Scrubs, $4.49. What about men's? Yeah, men's. Wow, seems a little high. $10.99 minimum for a coat. Now, I don't know if this is minimum or just blanket prices. Here's the media prices right here. Looks like Blu-rays $2.99, CDs 2 for $1, 10 for 3, DVDs $1, 5 for 3. That's a good deal. VHS 3 for $1. So the media seems like where we're gonna find some good stuff. Let's check it out. All right. Well, while I try to figure out where the media is, we'll walk down this. Oh, here we go. This is sweet Wilton cake pan. I believe there's some princess right here. How I look up the Wilton cake pans, you'll see they'll have a number on them. So we see 21053550. It says Mattel, so this must be Cinderella. Maybe Sleeping Beauty. I don't know who this is. But for $2.99, this could be a score. We'll look it up and I'll show you guys. So I couldn't find this on Amazon, this exact cake pan. There's similar ones, but not this one, sadly. And for $3, I looked it up on eBay, and this is the going rate right now, 12, 16, 11, 10. So definitely not gonna be worth it. That person's selling it for $9.25 with free shipping. I mean, this is probably gonna cost you a good $5 to ship anyways. So after fees, that person's making nothing. So we're gonna keep looking, see what we can find. This is worth all the money. And that, both of these, very valuable. Keep an eye out for those. That was a joke, by the way. All right, we found the media section. So with the prices, could be good stuff here, could be junk. Never know. We got Season of the Office now. See, this is the thing. I see $9.99 on there. I wonder if that's their price tag, or if this really is that, well, like 2 for $1, 3 for, or I think they were $1 each. So I'm not sure, but we'll just keep looking. I'll grab another DVD set to see if it, yeah, another The Office, $9.99. Yeah, here we go, Weeds. So this doesn't have that sticker on it, so I assume those $9.99s aren't from here. I think they're all $1 each. Gossip Girl, yeah, it doesn't have $9.99. No, $9.99. Wow, so for $1 each, these DVD seasons can be really good. There's Deadwood complete first season. Yeah, I'm gonna do some scanning here. Yeah, a bunch of True Bloods. You can make complete series for a few dollars and flip them pretty good on eBay and Amazon. Books, there's not many books here, but it looks like DVDs are gonna be where it's at. So maybe I'll find some video games in here. Let's start looking them up. All right, so I have been scanning a few things, and I have two interesting things right here. Wes Craven's Chiller and Michelle Pfeiffer's Power, Passion, and Murder. Never heard of either one of these. Scan this, it's not on Amazon, so I'm gonna have to check eBay. This one is on Amazon though. The rank's a little high, but again, for 99 cents, you guys can see it's selling for 12 bucks. I'll make about $4 on it, so I'll snag that. Now, if it was brand new sealed, take a look at that new price, $46. Holy moly. Hey, we got Jesus and Pastor Jones. Okay. Maybe both of these could be good. I've never heard of them. I like to just scan things I've never heard of before. So we'll bang that out and see what happens. Looks like nothing, so we'll put Jesus back. And then we'll try Pastor Jones here. Let's see what's going on there. Nope, not gonna be worth it. $2, so these two, not worth it, but I think I'm gonna snag, well, let's look this up on eBay since it's not on Amazon. Pull up my eBay app. Pull up the little camera icon right there, scan barcode, and let's scan it in. All right, so it looks like about $8. Not terrible for $1. There might be an Amazon listing. I think I'm gonna grab it just because it's unique, and I might be able to find an Amazon listing that's worth a little more than $8. So for $1 each, those are good. And keep looking. Alright, after digging through the DVDs for quite a while, didn't go through all of them. Oh, there's some VHS down there. I will look those up too, but I did end up grabbing a nice little stack right here. Darkness Falls is just something I want to watch, so I'm going to take that home. But this right here, the Anna Nicole Show, this I've never seen before. It's a 3-disc series, so I'm like, alright, this has got to have some value. Scan it in for you guys and you can see. We'll open up the Amazon seller app, scan it in, and take a look at this. Used $25, brand new $75. So there's definitely some good money in that. Taking that with me. We got this Rifleman King of the North. Nobody's on the Amazon listing, but it still has a rank, so it does sell. And on eBay it sells for, you know, between 10 and 15 bucks, so not bad. Then we have Bill Engvall for 15 degrees off cool. Never heard of it. I know he's a comedian, so I figured it's just like a comedy special. And something could do pretty good sometimes. This one especially. Look at that, $25 used, brand new, $55. So obviously it's used. Another $16. I'm only paying $1 for it. So we have some good money here. That's about 15, 25, 35, 45. We don't know about this, so we'll just say $5, so 50. And then I think another 5, so 55. Not bad. Pretty good little stack right there. There is still a good amount of the store to go through, so we're gonna take a look. Alright, so I just went through the VHS tapes down here and I actually found a few cool things. So they're 3 for $1. We got Candyman 3, Day of the Dead. Never even knew that they made a second or a third, so snagging that. We got Mary Kate and Ashley Costume Party. I love looking up children's VHS tapes. They're usually worth good money. Barney tapes, Wiggles, things like that. I always say that to take a look, and this one is no exception. Sells for about 10, 15 bucks. And then we have Hercules and Xena. Didn't even know this existed either, so I scanned it in and take a look at this. Doesn't show a rank. A lot of times VHS tapes don't show ranks, so don't worry about that. It has lots of reviews. Selling for about 14 bucks. So at about 33 cents each, snag them. Alright, we're gonna take a quick look at the mugs, see if we can find a single Starbucks mug. It's pretty rare. I don't normally find them. I found them a couple times, but they could have some value. They usually always have value, actually. But I don't see any. There is a Disney World mug with Mickey. Makes sense since we're in Florida. And it's originally $8.50, made in Thailand. It's a cool looking mug. It's not the cleanest. Oh, there's another one that says Dad. This one's actually even cooler. Look at that. It's like they're coming out of the mug. It's kind of popped out a little bit from the train. It's not in the best shape though. Mickey has a big scratch on his face there. Pretty cool though. I'll leave them behind because they do have wear. Let's see if there's anything else cool. What's back there? No. I don't really like to buy mugs. They take up space on the shelf. I'm always worried about them breaking and shipping. You know, if you bubble wrap them good enough, put them in a box, the odds are they're not going to break, but just kind of a pain. I did find a couple other things though. I got a book for myself. We got Armada. I've always wanted to read this for 99 cents. Why not? And then Wiki Sticks. These are, what, $2 each, I believe? And profit about $3 each on them. So these shoes over here I noticed were really cool and they're really clean. These Nike Alpha Menaces, and they're $8. But look at how cool the spikes on them are. I think they're for the Razorbacks. Pretty cool. They're almost brand new. And I took a look right here, and here is the one sold brand new for $80. There are none, well actually there might be some listed. Let's take a look. Get rid of the completeds. And there we go. There's only one listed for $80 right now. So for $8, if I list them for $50, they might sell. They're really cool, but I'm gonna leave them behind just because I don't really want to mess with shoes. But there is profit there, so you know, I'm leaving them, but that's okay. Anybody else can take them, leaving them behind. Very cool. Gonna keep looking through the clothes just for some fun things, but I'm not really seeing anything. I noticed they have a whole bunch of Blu-rays over here. They even have a 4K right here, Van Helsing on 4K. I wonder how much that is, because it said the Blu-rays were all $2.99. So I don't think there's much in here. Oh, there's even Great Gatsby on 4K. I like that movie. If those are $3 each, I'll probably snag them both. The Incredibles on PlayStation 2. They have Wolfenstein for the PC right there. I'm gonna see what all those loose discs are. So the NCAA, those ones aren't worth anything. But Hey, Jimmy Neutron for PC, Lego Creator, Harry Potter for PC. That's kind of neat to find, especially if they're only a couple bucks. Wolverine and X-Men for the Deej, D-I-D-J. Never heard of the Deej, or Didij. Didij? I have no idea. There's more of it. Didij. Indiana Jones, Star Wars, SpongeBob. $3 each. And there's another NCAA football game there. But yeah, I'm gonna take a look. This Incredibles game might be worth some money. You know, if it is, I'll pop the price right up here for you guys so you can see. I have no idea. I've never seen it before. I don't think it's worth anything, but I could be totally wrong right now, or I could be totally right. Alright, so they close in about 8 minutes, so I don't have a lot of time. Oh, there's some tin signs right here. Endless Summer. And Go Big or Don't Go at All. That one's actually pretty cool looking. But definitely, probably not any value in these. This one's a little bit nicer, but I'll leave them. And didn't see much in the way of electronics here. A lot of times these ice cream makers have some value. This one's 20 bucks, which seems pretty expensive. I think it's super used. Yeah, it doesn't even have all the parts in there. But some of these ice cream makers can be worth some pretty good money, so always keep an eye out for them. If you see them, look them up. And I think that's gonna do it. We got some media, we got some cool little wick sticks. Hey, I was just showing these off in a previous video. If these are a couple bucks, snag them. Oh, they're $5 each here, which is a little high. Not bad though. I think I'm gonna grab them. I sell these on Amazon for about 20 to 25 bucks. Yeah, that one's good in there. Oh, that one's really gross with some staining. I'll probably leave it. Dang. Come on. But yeah, they're not in great shape. I'll leave these, but I'll pop up a price so you guys can see. These Carousel Transview trays, I buy and sell these all the time, so definitely keep an eye out for them. They sell pretty good for me. And I think that's gonna do it. Oh, I just got teased right there with those two things. I thought I was gonna get another almost 30 to 40 bucks profit, but still happy with what I got. Probably close to $100 profit, maybe a little more. And I'm not seeing anything else here besides this guy and that guy, but mostly this guy. And that's it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.